Welcome to our graphics card comparison. Today, we are diving into two powerful options: the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT and the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. Both cards are designed for high-performance gaming and graphic-intensive tasks, but they come with different features and price points. Let's explore what each card has to offer and see which one might be the best fit for your needs. We'll compare their specifications, cooling systems, and overall value to help you make a well-informed decision. When it comes to performance, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT offers solid gaming capabilities with its 16GB GDDR6 memory and a boost clock of 2539 MHz. It is designed to handle most modern games at high settings. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 Ti takes it a step further with its GDDR7 memory and PCIe 5.0 support, providing enhanced performance for the latest titles and demanding applications. The ASUS card's boost clock of 2527 MHz, combined with its advanced cooling technology, ensures optimal performance even under heavy loads. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT features a WindForce cooling system with 3 fans, ensuring efficient heat dissipation. In contrast, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 Ti utilizes axial tech fans, which are designed for improved airflow and quieter operation. This advanced cooling system, along with its 2.5 slot design, allows the ASUS card to maintain lower temperatures even during demanding tasks, making it a great choice for gamers who push their hardware to the limits. Price is always a significant factor in choosing a graphics card. The GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT is priced at $359, making it a budget-friendly option for gamers looking for good performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 Ti comes with a much higher price tag of $939. While it offers advanced features and superior performance, the cost may be a barrier for some users. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and performance needs. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT and the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 Ti have their strengths and weaknesses. The GIGABYTE card is a more affordable option that still delivers solid performance, while the ASUS card offers advanced features and superior performance for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.